Okay, so this is question 2. Question 2 it says, given that x equals to cos 30, y equals sin 30, evaluate without using table calculator the value of this. And number 2b says, express in terms of a x minus 1 over 2x plus 1 if x is equals to what? 2a plus 3 all over 3a minus 2. Okay, so for the solution to this number 2 question, 2a question, what will I do here? So it means if x is this and y is this, I have to put it in this expression and solve. So putting it in that expression becomes what? This is x squared plus y squared over y squared minus x squared, which becomes what? Cos 30 all squared plus what? Sine 30 all squared over sine 30 minus what? Cos what? 30 all squared all squared. Now in this case, what do I have? It means I'm going to be having this as cos squared 30 plus what? Sine squared what? 30 all over sine 30 all squared minus cos 30 all squared. Now why did I expand this on like this? If you know from our trigonometric identities that cos squared theta plus sin squared theta equals to what? Equals to 1. It means this plus this should give us what? It should give us what? 1. Now 1 all over sin 30 is what? 1 over 2. Cos 30 is what would that be? So if this is 30, this is root 3, this is 2, this is 1. So cos 30, that becomes what? Adjacent, root 3 over 2. Okay, so that's root 3 over 2. Now find the LCM of my denominator. What do I have? That becomes 1 plus root 3 all over 2, which gives me what? 2 over what? 1 plus root 3. Now from here, you have to rationalize by doing what? Multiplying the numerator by 1 minus root 3 over what? 1 minus what? Root 3. On solving, what do I have? That becomes what? 2 minus 2 root 3 all over what? 1 minus what? 1 minus 3. That becomes what? 2 minus 2 root 3 all over what? Minus 2. And dividing by minus 2 after factorizing 2 from the numerator, I have this as minus 1 plus what? Root 3. So, which is the same thing as what? Root 3 minus 1. And this is the answer to 2a's question. Now for 2b's question, how do we solve this question? Now whenever I see x, I put what? I put this. So that now becomes what? That becomes 2a plus 3 all over what? 3a minus 2 minus 1. Okay. All over. Now this is 2x. So that becomes 2 times all this. That's 2 times the numerator. So let's just multiply already. That's 4a plus what? Plus 6. So I'm going to have what? 4a plus 6 all over what? 3a minus 2 plus 1 in this case now, because of what? This expression. Now what does this become? You find the LCM. Finding the LCM, what do I have? This becomes what? 2a plus 3 minus 3a minus 2 all over what? 3a minus 2. Then all over 4a plus 6 plus 3a minus 2 all over what? 3a minus 2. That is, if this is the LCM, 3a minus 2 divided by this is 1 times this is this, minus 3 minus 2 divided by invisible 1 times this is what? This. The same thing happens down here. Now, this cancels out. If you know how to factorize very well, what do I have left? This remains what? 2a plus 3 expanding minus 3a plus what? 2 all over what? 4a plus 6 plus 3a minus 2. Okay, collecting like terms, it becomes what? Minus a plus 5 over what? 7a plus what? Plus 4. Finally, I can write it as what? 5 minus a all over what? 7a plus 4, in which case is now in the expression of what? A. So, and that's the answer to this question.